Welcome all. This is Dr. Beena Nangia on my YouTube channel Dyslexia Decoded. Today I decided to do the topic of study skills since February and March are months for examinations, and if you are a student with learning disabilities or without learning disabilities, exams are never easy and fun. So today I will teach you some tips as to how to learn, remember and reproduce in the examinations. The first tip that I am going to give you is called the main idea. For example, suppose I asked you to give me description about yourself. So you might say, I am a girl or a boy and I am in grade so and so. I am so many years old. I live in this area. I study in this school and my name is so and so. Now, out of all of this information, what do you think is the main idea, without which all the other information has no meaning? So some of you might say that the main idea is that I am a girl or a boy. Someone else will say that it's important that I study in a school. Someone else may say something else. But the main idea is the name, without which all the other information has no meaning. Unless I know your name, how does it matter whether you're a boy or a girl, or whether you are studying in a school or not? So every answer or every paragraph in a text is going to have one main idea and supporting details. So we have to first find out the main idea of every answer or every paragraph, highlight that, and then the supporting details can be in the form of bullets just below this main idea that we are going to write down, which is with a sketch pen and in a register or in bold letters. So finding out the main idea means that without that idea or that thought in that paragraph, all the other information has no meaning. So we look for that. It's an important practice, because no point just going on learning and forgetting in the exams. If you do this, you may remember better and you may reproduce in your exams better. So try this out and find out the main idea of the answers that you have to learn and the supporting details. Then my next tip for you for learning and remembering is to make flashcards. Suppose I have to remember formulae or scientific facts or laws in science or whatever. I write it on one side of a flashcard. Flashcard is a card which is the size of a visiting card or even bigger. And on one side you write say a plus b the whole square. And on the back side you will write a square plus 2ab plus b square. That's the answer. To remember it better, it is useful to write this in sketch pen in one color only. All of it in one color on one side and the same color on the other side. The brain loves colors and therefore it will remember it better. So like this we can make a lot of flashcards for different things, put them away as stacks for laws or for formulae or for things that we want to remember in the exam, and use it and keep looking at it over and over again. The fact that we look at these flashcards over and over again helps to send this information in the long-term memory and retrieve it during exams. The third tip for you is very important, and what you can do is take permission from your parents, and in huge paper, like full sheets of paper or chart paper, you can write information with sketch pen in big letters or in big sentences and paste it on the walls in color. So the more we see it, the more we are going to remember. But make sure you take permission and then put it up. So today's 3 tips are going to help you to learn better, and I'm sure you're going to use it because you want to do well in the exams. So keep watching my videos, and I am going to give you more tips to learn and remember better for exams. In the meanwhile, keep relaxed, keep cool, and continue to learn and practice, and I'm sure you're going to do well. Thank you for watching, and keep looking for more videos for more tips. Thank you.